everyone, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, today we want to talk about loops, and then we also want to talk about functions in that, right? Okay, so let's first talk about functions. Functions, the set of code or named set of code that performs specific function. Let me put it that way, simple language. So imagine telling your computer to turn on. Definitely, it just turns on, right? Or you have a blender, you press the button every time. You don't care how it works, but it just works. And this is a command that you actually give to it. So now let's move straight to some of the commands, little commands that you can just do in that. This is more about that programming. So we just move in that and then see how we can go about it. Okay, so let's try this one. This is a simple Dart programming language that anyone can just do, right? It's very simple. Yeah. So let me just type print hello. Let's see. Hello. Wow. Okay. And don't forget your semicolon. Right. So let's just print it. Voila. So this is it, right? It's a function. You just tell it to do this and it does it. This is the input and the output is the hello world, right? And this is purely that. Now let's move on to loops as well. Imagine you waking up in the morning, early in the morning, and you entered into the office, seeing people, about 10 people over there. Now, do you go ahead to greet one, each of them, one after the other? You go ahead to greet them one after the other, or you just greet good morning, and everyone feel like, okay, this guy is greeting me, so let me respond. And each will start responding, good morning, good morning. Which of them do you prefer? So that is what loops does. It repeats commands, it repeats the results, the output, what works, right? But it's either you key them one after the other, or you actually give one code of command, and that would bring everything to a close. So let's do some coding here. Okay, so this is very simple to also do. Uh, then we move on to the other aspect as well. Okay, so let's use the for loop, right? We have types of loops. The for loop, the while loop, the for in loop, and okay. So let me just finish with this. Okay. Okay. So this less than or equal to, I think that'll be fine. Less than or equal to 5 and semicolon, and then not forgetting my, and then I'll define my I again. Sorry. So I'll just define my I again. I plus plus, right? Yeah. And then so now let's print server. Let's print out good morning. Let's greet them now. So this is it. Print good morning. And don't forget your semicolon. So now let's run it. Voila. So you see how it is? Just one set of command, and that has given us 5 different responses. 5 different responses. So that is how it is, right? So that's the difference. That's all that we have for now. Look out to our next video. So the next video will be types of loops, operators, lists, and maps. And then we move straight to Flutter, right? We move straight to installation of Flutter and Flutter Converter. Enjoy your day.